like, you know, it's like having A1 credit. It's like being 18 with 81 credit, but you got the mind like I'm 37, but you know what you're supposed to do now. You know what I'm saying? So I make sure every payment is paid on time, all the time, man. And I'm gonna tell you what's crazy. Like, for Christmas, you know, I had a Bell's car, Macy's car, dealer's car, and JC Penney's. So, you know, I used my car during Christmas. Then January came, and I paid the minimum on them. February came, they increased all of my cars to like $1,000.
Right.
You know?
Wow.
So I'm staying on top of everything. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm being super smart about everything, and everybody that I'm dealing with, I'm letting them know. You know, this is the second chance around. Don't mess it up, man. Pay your payments and pay your bills. But you know, on top of that, because you know, being in the car business as a finance manager, most of the time I'm applying for the stuff for other people. So I'm not even letting them get overwhelmed with stuff. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want them to mess themselves up or whatever like that. Because I know sometimes people get greedy or whatever. I can afford to make 4 payments of $25 a month on 4 different cars, which is the minimum because that's just $100.
Right.
You know? So I'm being super responsible, but I'm just trying to set myself up and my girl and people around me to have businesses and be successful, you know? Absolutely. That way I can take it to the next level, man. So I think we're gonna have a really good summer. My girl shop is jumping already, man. Like, you know, she's the only black nail bar out here, and she already had 200 clients from where she was at. So I'm gonna tell you what's crazy. With the number, I was able to get a credit line with the radio station. So I was able to get 500 commercials. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
And do a live remote where I had the gospel station come out, the hip hop station, all of them came out on the same day, and I was able to put it on my credit. You know what I'm saying? Because they already knew me from the cars. So I was like, can I just set up a line of credit? They did that. They gave me a lot of credit, so I don't even got to pay for the commercials right now. Not nothing.
Right.
So that's why I say, man, you know, you put me in a really good position, like for real.
And
so,
you get a chance.
Something I could do to repay you, I would. You know what I'm saying? Like if you know, in Carlito's way, if you was a girl, I'd marry you. You know, but you're not a girl, so I can't marry you.
Right, and plus you get a chance to put what you got, the Range Rover and the Benz you got parked in front of the shop over there.
You said what?
You said you got the Range Rover and the Benz. What kind of cars you were able to let it?
A CRS 550 Benz and a Range Rover.
Okay.
You know.
Right.
So you know, life is really, really good. You know what I'm saying?
Right. You never
really, really good.
You never did send me that picture of those things too.
I got the video. I can see your pictures right now.
Okay. Yeah. Send me the pictures right now. Text me over the pictures right now. And you ain't got to put people in it. Just show me the cars. You should be able to text that video too, because that's something I would love to put on the website. Because as you know, other people can see. We got so many people out there. They know what CPNs do, how positive they are, trade lines, how it changes people's lives. But when they look at my little boring stuff for the Viper and stuff like that, they've seen it 1,000 times. They want to see what you. They say, okay, well, we gonna exempt Jason because he knows what the fuck he's doing. He's been doing this for years. We want to see somebody new that just came in, and we want to hear their success stories. That's what they really want to hear.
Okay, man, you're like